My name is Fulgencio Lazo. I'm from Oaxaca, Mexico, and we came from Seattle, Washington, and we are here in the Redlands University. We're doing a project about the Day of the Dead, and now we're working in the process to doing a sound painting. So now we invite all the students to come and work with us and put the color. In the material, what we use for the sand painting is basically regular play sand. We mix this with water, and then we use a powder color to decide what kind of color we want to use.